Stephen A., how confident are you that you won't have to wear a Tony Romo jersey?
Supremely confident. Not concerned at all. Mere bag of shells. They're going to go to Seattle, and they're going to get beat up. It's just that simple. DeMarco Murray is not going to be able to run the ball but so effectively against this Seattle Seahawks defense. This Seattle Seahawks defense is rife with a level of intellect that is unrivaled in the NFL as far as I'm concerned. Defensively, they will show up, and they're going to recognize that the Dallas Cowboys are going to have to throw the football in order to beat them because they're going to take away the running game. As a result, the ball will be put in Tony Romo's hands. And when that happens, I don't know whether it's going to be an interception or whether it's going to be his back issues or whatever. All I know is that the Seattle Seahawks will shut it down. They will win this game Sunday.